How to make a tutorial. Making a tutorial is a very useful tool that you can use to show how to do things within Tynker. To get started, create a new project and begin to select what you want to make a tutorial on. Our code in this example will have the onStart block, the forever loop, and the code inside the forever loop that lets our actor move when we guide him with the mouse pointer. Okay, let's start making this tutorial. At the top of your screen, select the Tools tab. Then select Create Tutorial. Now, to start creating the tutorial, click Add a new note. Here is where you will write the text for this note in the tutorial. We'll make this note about the onStart block, so let's describe it here. Now that we've described it, we can provide a link to the code itself. Do this by dragging from the right of the block and drag it onto the note. Dragging by the right will let you grab a single block instead of taking all of the code in that area. Great, now you're finished with the first note. Click Add a new note again. This time, we'll describe the point block and then show an example. Write the description. Now drag the point block from the right side and drop it into the note. This time we can give an example of what we're describing. Hit play. Now we're showing the point block work as we described it. Alright, now let's add voiceover. To do this, just click the microphone icon on whichever note you'd like to voiceover. Then hit allow in the top right corner of your screen. Then record your voiceover and it will be added to your note. And hit OK. Now that our tutorial is made, click Preview in the corner. The preview mode shows you what the finished tutorial will look like. This is how it will appear when others are seeing your tutorial. You can go through the notes by clicking Next and Back. As you can see, the code is highlighted when we go to a note that contains that code. If you don't want to look at the notes one by one, click Show All. This lets you see all of the notes at once. Then you can click Hide All to return to the previous view. Finally, if you still want to make some changes to your tutorial, just click Edit. Now you know how to make a tutorial. Good job!